Fleet database is the last menu. This is a feature that EMFAC PC application does not have. The purpose of this tool is to provide vehicle population estimates for California at a high spatial resolution. Please note that the population generated here is based on vehicle registration from California Department of Motor Vehicle, or DMV, and it could be significantly different from the population operating at a chosen area. For example, although a large truck fleet could be registered at a corporate address in Sacramento, they could operate across the state or even out of state. Let's briefly take a look at the form. You have the similar region type, and you can choose the region from the map as before, as in the other menus. Next is calendar year, and next is vehicle category. Vehicle category is a little different from the other menus, as the data is prepared directly using DMV Vehicle Registration Database. Next is fuel type. Next is fuel technology. In addition to fuel type, you can also specify fuel technology in this menu. For those with electric motors, you can get more information about their electric miles or how many miles they can travel on their battery pack. You can find the description here. Model year is the same as before. Next is the number of vehicle registered at the same address. This tells you whether a certain vehicle belongs to an address that has only one registered vehicle or multiple. The last option is output aggregation level. It can be either aggregate or by census block group code. If aggregate is chosen, you can see the result in a table on the website, but with this census block group option, the size of data is often too large, so you have to download it in the CSV format. Let's choose aggregate. The show result button. This is similar to emissions inventory menu, right? You have a request summary. You would want to click any item to copy to your clipboard. In the below, you have the vehicle population output. You can also click any value for copy and paste. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you'll be able to access mobile source emissions inventory easily with our new web tool. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us at emfac@arb.ca.gov. This concludes my tutorial on our new EMFAC web application. Thank you.